So my name is Brett Cadiente, and the name of my company is Cadiente Plumbing. We provide all types of commercial and residential plumbing services. Everything from disposals to faucet replacements to water heater replacements, slab leak repairs and reroutes, and yeah, we do kind of a little bit of everything. We do emergency plumbing service as well. We do nights and weekend calls as well. So if you've got a problem in the evening, we're always available, and we've always got somebody answering the phone 24/7. So we service all areas of Mesa. We do get to downtown. We handle a lot of stuff there. We do handle a lot of stuff around Hohokam Stadium, where the cubbies are. We enjoy going out there. I'm a baseball player, so I love baseball, so I love doing that. Close to the cemetery. We also get around to the Riverview area, where the new Cubs Stadium is supposed to go. We handle there as well. And then we also get all the way out to the Superstition. So it depends on where the call comes in from. Plumbing is plumbing. When you get the emergency, you go. And so we kind of get all over. Yeah. So typically when we get a call for someone calls and says I have no hot water. The first thing we like to do is ask for the model and serial number. And so there's a little serial plate on your water heater. Take a look at that. They always kind of make that pretty hard to find. We can help you with that. Find that, and then we like to track down the make, the model, when that water heater was built. The reason why we do that is sometimes you can make a repair to old water heaters. Sometimes that never really makes sense. You go in and you have an expensive repair. It's an old water heater. Sometimes those don't hold. So we do like to recommend to people to either replace or repair. We give them the option. So